welcome to our webinar today. Today's webinar is obviously about the on-demand training solutions. One of our newest features, obviously. So we'll be discussing some of the on-demand collections, how to apply them for your business as well, and then how you can use them for clients and some specific examples depending on your business model to go along with it. Starting off here, we have three use cases essentially. So let's start by describing those three use cases. So you could use one of these, maybe you use two of these, maybe use all three in your business. So it just kind of depends what model you're kind of using for your training. But from left to right here, so one-on-one coaching, which is the most common. So that's what most coaches on the platform tend to start off with. It's highly custom coaching with modifications for your clients, usually done weekly. This usually includes some kind of custom training program, some kind of check-ins. Then we have group coaching. So group coaching, more of a lower touch alternative. So that integrates features like the auto flow and forum a little bit more extensively. It's great to work with a larger number of clients at scale. So if you're working with more than 10 or 20 people or upwards of 50 or 100 people even, typically groups will be in a cohort. So you might run like a 4 or 12-week program. Not necessarily always, just a common way of how things are done. You can also start small group training within your gym or just exclusively online with this model. Through the forum, you can frequently engage all your clients simultaneously. That way you're not individually messaging people. And you can also use group coaching to run challenges and even set up leaderboards for clients, which you can kind of see pictured below as well. And then the last one there, so the one-to-many. Oops, go back here. The one-to-many option. So that could be for either larger gyms or larger businesses with many clients. So that could be anywhere from 50, 100, or even hundreds of clients. The one-to-many option allows you to deliver your training to a very large crowd of people seamlessly through the app. On-demand workouts are super impactful in this model since you're trying to coach a vast number of people. This model is similar to group coaching that the auto flow and forum features will be used extensively, along with resources like videos, links, documents, any of that kind of stuff that you have to share with your clients. And then the on-demand feature for one-to-many is a super easy way for clients to have workouts that they can do at any time, which we'll kind of talk about in this PowerPoint as well. So this webinar in particular will focus on the one-to-many option, which uses three features pictured. So we have the resources, the workout collection, and the studio program. So we'll take a minute here and go into each one of these a little bit more in depth. So as many of you know, Everfit's more than just about delivering training programs to clients. There's a lot of features within the app. So with the app, you can upload any and all of your coaching resources. And the on-demand collections, of course, is like the cherry on top to all of that, right? So you can share documents and resources with clients, like I mentioned before. This could include things like any recipes you have, any guides you have, any videos, appointment links. You can do merchandise or supplement links, or any other ancillary services or products you might have to offer. And you can kind of see that here on the left-hand side. So share documents and resources, some of the things pictured there. So the on-demand training content is simply like a fitness Netflix, which you have in the middle there. You can kind of see those pictured there with the week 1, week 2, week 3 workout video collections. So essentially clients can see every video or workout you upload and do them at their own pace. So rather than assigning them a program, this could be grouped by theme, such as at-home workouts, cardio, strength, or any category you would like. So you have the freedom to label that however you would like to. You could also have more structured weeks of programming to guide clients, like the thumbnail below shows. So instead of grouping stuff by, like, let's say back workouts, chest workouts, whatever, you can group them by week. So you kind of see in the middle there, week 1, week 2, week 3, and then clients kind of scroll through the week and pick whatever they want to work on. You can also launch a low cost, high value studio program. This option is perfect for gyms with classes that are looking to expand their services online, but also for trainers that just want to provide clients more easily accessible training. So that's way on the right here. So launch on-demand studio program. And the studio programs allow clients to pick and choose from selected programs of their choice. So rather than just getting like that on-demand collection, you can put up a program focused on like muscle gain, weight loss, and an endurance program for clients to choose from. And they just kind of complete the program as they go through it. And that's more assigned like the workout builder. So clients simply start and end programs whenever they would like. This means less admin work on your end, right? Since you don't have to assign or change programs to the client, you just give them access to a studio program. And then they're kind of ready to go from there. So after this, we'll kind of go into more in depth. For those that just joined us, if you do have any questions, put them in the comment box. We'll go over those at the end as we kind of go through this. Hopefully some of those get addressed as we go through this as well. So going into that first feature we kind of talked about there, so resource collection. So as you can see, some more examples here pictured with how the app looks. So resources and collections provide a central hub for you to store any of your resources for clients. So that's where you can organize, share different types of things with clients, all from one spot essentially. So I personally use resources to share nutrition documents and handouts with clients, links to schedule calls, link to order supplements or meals or to buy merchandise. Resources are also a great way to add clients programming, essentially any kind of like layer programming you have, so you can store documents, anything related to like their training. So an RPE chart would be a great thing. Anything pertinent to like just the type of training they're doing. Maybe you have like a write-up or something like that, or how to program or how to do certain training programs. Just something that they might need to reference during your coaching process. So this obviously saves you time, since you won't need to individually send clients any documents. You can easily just refer them to the resource tab instead. So you can see here on the right-hand side too, some of the common use cases. So like on-demand, on-demand workouts, so nutrition recipes, tools and documents, any kind of weekly check-ins you have, or special promotions or payment links, booking and schedule links. You could even put like music playlists in there if you have some to share with clients. And then obviously any kind of like ancillary things you have, or like supplements, merchandise, web stores, your website, blog, whatever you guys want to put in there. So moving on to the next one here. So the on-demand workout collections, that's where you can share and organize a folder of workout clients that your clients can pick from. So you kind of see there. So we have from left to right, home workouts, tennis skills, fitness collections. This is how it kind of look from the client's end. So you're basically making a content portal with a Netflix style hub of workouts for clients to do at any time. So there are many ways you could use on-demand workouts, either for groups or even for one-on-one clients. You can kind of see that right there. So offering additional, any kind of additional services. So if you do like any kind of stretching workouts or yoga or bar, it could be essentially anything, even just conditioning. You can create a database of any searchable workouts for clients to find at any time. You could offer video-based skills training. So that's just stuff like drills for soccer, maybe, or you can see tennis skills there. You could offer a suite of exercise options for corporate wellness if that's what your business does. So there are definitely a lot of options you could do with that one. And you could also do any of the follow-along workouts, or simply just add workouts in the workout builder for your clients. So if you wanted to film a video of you doing a workout and have your client follow along, you could upload in here. If you just wanted to upload like a bunch of workouts for your clients to pick and choose from, you have the freedom to do that as well. So they don't have to be videos, they don't have to be just workouts. They can be a mix of the two, or they just be one or the other as well. So studio programs, last feature here before we kind of go from the platform interface. So with the studio programs, it's just a way to offer a lower touch solution to clients for programming. So with Everfit payments, you can stick an auto flow or studio program, so that automatically when the client pays, they get enrolled in your studio program package. So you don't even have to add it to their account or anything. They just automatically get access. This means you have zero admin tasks to get a client rolling onto a program. They just kind of like pay and they're ready to go. Once they sign up, they simply look through any programs you've added into your studio package and start the program themselves. So you can kind of see here a picture. We have those 6 programs. So like the metabolic conditioning, 30-day challenge, whatever. So they pick one of those, they click start, gets uploaded to the calendar automatically, essentially. So studio programs can be used by individual trainers as like a custom training option that's more hands-off, or even for gyms to offer as an add-on service to the members at a lower price. So it really depends with how many people you're kind of working with. And so that's the basics here. So what we'll do from here is we'll go on the platform. Again, if you guys have any questions, drop them in the comment box. We'll kind of go over those at the end here. Let me open up the platform for us. And then, so we'll take a look here, how this all looks like from your end. So starting off here, this is what it'll look like when you log in. Click the settings here. And then you would go to Studio. And then here's where you have everything, right? So resource collections, resources, workout collections, on-demand workouts, workout labels, studio programs. So kind of starting off here with resource collections. So as it kind of says here, central launchpad for any group. So you can see your collections here. So maybe you have like a workout playlist collection. You have any kind of gym guides in here. And so this is great for like brick and mortar locations. If you want to put any kind of stuff for your members, like more information about your pool or your gym hours, any services like massage therapy. So you put like essentially just handouts here for your clients to have. That way you don't have to just store it on your website or refer people to different parts of your website. You just have it all on here. Any kind of nutrition resources you might have. So, you know, how to meal prep, healthy recipe guide. On the right here, you can see this is how it look from your client's app as well. So if you want to change some stuff around there, you can too. And again, this is customizable, so you can change the name of the stuff. You can even add clients here that you want there or don't want there. You can take them off as well. So going into resources, this is the individual components of the collections. So like here you can see the workout music. So that was in that workout playlist. in the resource collection tab. So this is where you add your individual things, like any videos you have, any playlists, any handouts, and you use these to build into the collections afterward. So you can see there's a lot here, right? Then they feed into these folders here that you have them grouped. So moving on here to workout collection. So this is, like I was mentioned before, the Netflix style thing. So home workouts we have here, 4-week fitness course. If we click on here, you can see there's 5 different categories of home workouts. There's 11 different workouts in here. And again, this one just description, no equipment needed, workouts to be done at home. Again, on the right here, how it looks in the client's end. And then we can see here, there's 3 workouts in the latest workouts. There's 2 workouts in the 20-minute workouts. And this is all customizable. So if you want to organize it all by time, you can. If you want to organize it all by body part, like this one's leg strength, for example, you can do that. Or you can do a mix of both. It's really up to you and what makes the most sense for how you're doing it. So the on-demand library, so this again is more like follow along kind of videos you see here. So 10-minute calorie killer. So this would be you, preferably you, but you could use another coach, another person on YouTube doing it. And you could upload that yourself from your YouTube channel as well, if you want it to be you actually having the workout and your client following along with you, which is another great thing to layer on, especially if you do like ancillary stuff, kind of like yoga or those types of things that are more like an add-on. But even just as a trainer, you could use this perfectly fine as well. And then last couple of things here, so labels. So labels are just a way to organize your workouts and help your clients search for them. So you could choose and create labels down here. So you obviously there's some pre-made ones here, like the level of the workout, like beginner, intermediate, advanced, duration, if you want to keep like 30 or 60-minute workouts, or maybe you have like 45-minute, whatever, intensity, type, body part. You could also add your own custom label if you want to label it a different way. Like you maybe just want people to find it by body part, or just find it by duration, or find it whether it's like at home or at the gym. You guys can label them however you like. And that way, when clients search for different programs or workouts, they can easily find them based on label. And last but not least, before we go over any questions, so studio programs down here. There we go. That's moving. So studio programs, again, that's just something that your clients can choose from. So you can upload as many or as little programs as you want in here, and then clients can pick and choose from them. You could have like a year's worth of programming here, and clients just kind of jump program to program from there. So very like low admin, low hassle for you. All you have to do is put them in here once. And then if you get 100 clients, they just kind of pick them themselves. You just have to give them access, or if they use the auto flow, then they just automatically get access if you connect the auto flow to studio program once they sign up. So another great feature that's just low touch and giving your clients easy access to some of the training there. Let's see. And that's it in terms of just like the overview of the on-demand workout collections and the platform.